Welcome to Relevant Happenings. In this video, we will look at relevant happenings of the day. Today, we will see about theme for 75th year of India's independence. Then we will see about India's first Internet Governance Forum to be held in October. We will also see about ISRO's GSLV F-10 satellite mission along with other relevant happenings, so stay tuned. The theme of India's 75th Independence Day celebrations will be Nation First, Always First. The country will celebrate its 75th year of independence at Red Fort, from where Prime Minister will address the nation on August 15, 2021. All the athletes who won medals at Tokyo Olympics 2020 have also been sent special invites to attend the Independence Day 2021. Like Independence Day was celebrated in 2020, this year's celebration will also be restricted to the public and no cultural performances and events will be staged by the children. A group of NCC cadets will be attending the event. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs, after the recent drone attacks in Jammu, has asked the Delhi police to strictly follow the standard operating procedures for drone operations. Personnel have been directed to take down the drones or the aerial objects in case anyone sees one approaching the Red Fort. A makeshift wall of containers has also been erected at the periphery of the Red Fort. It will rule out any form of security breach owing to the ongoing farmers' protest as well. Also, the central government ahead of the Independence Day celebrations has asked the states and union territories to ensure that people don't use plastic national flags. The step has been taken to ensure the appropriate disposal of the tricolor made of the non-biodegradable items like plastic flags and badges. Moving ahead, a major setback happened to the Indian Space Research Organization's ISRO mission to put the state-of-the-art geoimaging satellite into orbit. As the attempt failed early on Thursday morning, the geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle F-10 took off early morning as scheduled and the core stage burnout happened as planned, propelling the rocket in its intended path. Second stage ignition happened as planned and some 2 minutes into the launch, and payload firing was confirmed by the mission control a little after nearly 4 minutes after takeoff. And then there were few tense moments that followed soon after the second stage shut off. The cryogenic stage did not ignite, rendering a mission a failure. ISRO will now form a Failure Analysis Committee (FAC) that will analyze the reasons for the anomaly. This was the space agency's third attempt at launching the satellite. It was first scheduled for March 5, 2020 but was scrubbed minutes before the 26-hour countdown was to begin on March 4, 2020. While ISRO again appeared confident of launching it earlier this year, 2021, the launch didn't happen owing to a voltage issue that scientists described as a minor power problem. Designed to provide near real-time images of large areas of regions of interest at frequent intervals, the satellite was to be a kind of advanced eye in the sky and also held the potential of aiding the country's armed forces to plan operations. Uttar Pradesh government is so fond of renaming places and events, it has added one more rename to its list. The Uttar Pradesh government this time has renamed the landmark Freedom Movement event Kakori Train Conspiracy as Kakori Train Action in a tribute to the revolutionaries who were hanged for robbing a train at Kakori to buy weapons in 1925. The new name will be used in all the official communications to refer to the event in the state. As per a government statement, it says that it was derogatory to describe the Kakori train robbery as conspiracy that was a part of the freedom movement. Talking about Kakori train robbery, or better say Kakori train action now on, the Kakori train action was a train robbery that took place in August 9, 1925. The train robbery took place in Kakori, a village near Lucknow. The robbery was planned by Ramprasad Bismil and Ashfaqullah Khan, who belonged to the Hindustan Republican Association (HRA). The HRA was established to carry out revolutionary activities against the British Empire in India to help India gain independence. The train robbery was planned as the organization needed money for the purchase of weaponry. Hence, Bismil and his party decided to plunder a train on one of the northern railway lines. The robbery was executed by Ramprasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, Rajendra Lahiri, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sachindra Bakshi, Keshav Chakravarti, Manmatnath Gupta, Mukundi Lal, Murari Lal Gupta and Banwari Lal. Ramprasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan and Roshan Singh were hanged to death for their involvement in the robbery on December 19, 1927. Moving ahead, the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology informed that India will host the first Internet Governance Forum in the country for 3 days beginning in October. The theme of event will be inclusive of Internet for Digital India. India Internet Governance Forum is an internet governance policy discussion platform. It is the Indian chapter of the Internet Governance Forum under the United Nations. India is the second largest broadband subscription country in the world. It has highest data consumption per user per month. The IIGF aims to take into account the aspirations of the Indians in their international policy formation and stakeholder discussion. The IIGF aims to ensure that the growth of broadband adheres to the lifestyle and requirements of the Indian community. The forum gathers representatives from various groups such as government, civil or private sector, academicians, all at par to deliberate on internet governance or public policy issues relating to the internet. So these were the relevant happenings of today. Hope you liked the initiative. If you find the video as relevant as the happenings, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.